You need record.
Okay, here we're going to do another demonstration of fine Marmorino two-tone. This is a different little style. We have Raymond here. He's going to do this beautiful sample. Look it up. So what he's doing is he did the first coat and second coat in that green, and now he's putting a dark red on top of this green, and he's going to burnish it in some areas before he puts the green again on top of it. Like Christmas colors. Full cover the board. So he gets the burnishing towel and he burnishes it very little. You don't want to over burnish it because now he's going to put the green right on top of it while still wet. Then he's going to burnish the green. So you're just doing a normal third coat application, nice and tight. If you notice, this application is a little different. This is the way basically the customer wants it. They just wants it like cross hatch basically. Yo, why would you do something like that?
Because walls split, you know?
Well, in real life, we all know we cannot
I can't be like this.
flip over the wall, so we're cheating a little bit here.
Let's do your more yoga to be like.
Now he's gonna come back with the burnish chop and burnish it. So all that red is going to pop through. On this angle where I'm looking at is very, very shiny already. Remember, with third coat application, you want to burnish it right away. You don't want to wait too long to burnish it. So basically burnish it while still wet. So in a real walk, 2 to 3 feet at a time, stop, burnish it, keep moving forward. Basically that's the way it looks. I'm going to dry it a little bit for you to see how it looks. Basically, this is the end result. This is how it's going to look. This is a two-tone fine. You can notice it's very highly polished. So beautiful technique, very, very easy to do. So thank you for watching again, and beware for our next video coming soon.